everyone, welcome to this tutorial on creating a meeting summarizer agent. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you create your own agent for summarizing meeting points. Like if you got an audio, you can get the transcript. And using that transcript, you can extract the key points or key action takeaway of the meeting in a text file. So let's let's see why we built it. As you know, meetings are a chaos. Lots of people are talking on lots of various points. In technical meetings, you can see many points cannot be captured by writing notes. So you need a well organized way or a pipeline to uh, take meeting moments in a text file. So you just have to build a solution around it. And second point is about time inefficiency. Like creating meeting movements is a very tedious time, and you have to sometimes uh, take extra time of your work to create only the meeting notes. So it's a very required agent to be built. So let's see how it works. It's just take the audio input of your meetings and then extract the transcripts using OpenAI Whisper technology. And then using Gemini API, you can summarize your transcript into key takeaway or action points. So let's see our code demo.
So now it's the time for our code demo. So I have created this cookbook where you can see the step-by-step process of our meeting summarizer agent. Here in this notebook, I'm going to use OpenAI Whisper model and Google Gemini API key. So first of all, you have to install some libraries like OpenAI Whisper model, CrewAI tools, Google Generative AI, and FMPG Python. I have written this command line here. You have to just uncomment it and run it. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to run it again. So now, in our first step, you have to import these libraries like Whisper, CrewAI. You have to import agent, task, crew, process, LLM, and then .env. .env is used to extract the Gemini API key from the environment. Oh, so first of all, you have to create a .env file and store your API key here as Gemini API key variable. And here is the date and time for you to import is to create the result with current date and time. So we will see that in later. So now using load.env, you have to import extract the Gemini API key from the environment. Here you can extract it that way. Then here you can create a class which initialize the Whisper model. I'm using the base model. You have to just use whisper.load model, then model size and device equals to CUDA. As I'm using my GPU here, it will make our result generation faster. And then here is the transcribe. You have to just provide the audio part here. This is the sample audio of a meeting I'm using, and then the language, and then you can get the result in text format and the language and the segments. So now you have our next component will be meeting summarizer agent class. So here I will set up the LLM, provide the LL agent configuration like role, specialized, and focus structured information extraction. So let's see. So here is our meeting summarizer agent. So I am using Crew agent for this framework. It has a duty of just take the transcript, and there is a task where it will analyze the following meeting transcript and create a comprehensive summary. So this is the transcript variable which it will be provided with, and here is the summary structure which I have written down like meeting overview, key discussion point, discussion made, action time, open question. So I also mentioned that the expected output should be a well-structured meeting summary with all the key information organized under headings. So here you can get the agent of meeting summarizer. Now our next agent. So let's see. So this is the pipeline component. So here is our pipeline, like our first pipeline task will be audio transcript, like we have to convert our audio into a text file, which will be our transcript using this, and then our summarization agent, which will summarize our transcript into the well-structured format we want to. So this is the step by step function mentioned down, like here the transcript result will go, and then the transcript result is provided to summarizer agent, and then if the output exists, it will save our meeting notes with current date and time in a text file. So let's run our agent. So let's run it. Here you can see I have provided it with the audio file part, which is our sample audio, and then the pipeline. The pipeline is the meeting summarizer pipeline, where is the whisper model and the Gemini API key, and the result is a pipeline dot process meeting. So this is, you can say, this is the method I'm using to initialize the main pipeline, and the result is here, and the end result will be the summary. You can also see the transcript, which I am going to show. This process is in which our audio is converting into the transcript. It will take some time. Our audio is around 40-minute long, so it's a very long meeting. 40 to 50-minute long. So it's a very long meeting or audio. So when the audio to transcript process will be completed, here your transcript of the meeting will be created. As you can see, this is the whole transcript of our meeting. So as you can see, it is a very long transcript, but our reserve, main goal is to get the summary. Here is the summary structure I need to get. So this is the transcript, and this is the prompt I have given to our Gemini model, and here is the result. As you can see, this is the final answer, meeting summary. The meeting is focused on several initiatives. As you can see, these are the key points of discussion: corporate event, decision made. Here are some action items. Here are some open questions. So this is the final result, and the final result is stored in a text file. So as you can see, this is a text file. You can save it somewhere else, or you can also get the transcript of your meeting. This is the whole transcript of your meeting. So this will make your movement of meeting creation much easier than before.
If you'd like to explore practical resources and hands-on examples, we've created a dedicated GitHub repository. It's filled with cookbooks covering computer vision, AI agents, and more. Link is in description.